Now, having a little camera problems. We're going to see if we can get through it. We got the limit shad up here, and we're going to get started. So we want to cover these up with the pearls really well. And this is really one of my favorite kind of shad patterns that I've done here in the last couple years. Again, I like it really well for a little bit of, stained water and or in clear water where there's smallmouth present, because they really like the yellow. So we're going to cover all that white up with some pearl, give it some flash, make it look realistic, and start adding our bright colors. So we've got a regular wart, and we got the old Mad wart here, the all pre-wrap warts. All these are pre-wrap warts. We'll cover that right up. Next up, we're going to do our fluorescent yellow, and we kind of get down here in the cheek a little bit with that, and then we run it right up along the shoulders. And I do want it to dip down a little bit into that cheek area. And then drift a little bit into the sides. This one's got a lot of pearls in it. I like this, when possible, to spray my pearls. We're doing a metallic bronze here next with my 5mm brush, but let me look at this. Yeah. Gotta clean this out. So we're going to try an eye candy color, which will be later in the paint session when we get over the top of our gray that we're about to lay down. But we're going to be doing this rainbow violet in a clear UVLS gloss, and we're going to try that. Most generally in this pattern I use the highlight purple, which we're going to do a gray, medium gray on the nose and the top of the bait. Phone's been ringing today. We just got lots going on, right? GoPro jacked up, GoPro acts up. We just got all kinds of things. Before we do the eyes, I'm going to go ahead. Let's see. I know I've got to have a color. I need some black. We're done with the yellow. Clean this yellow out real quick. This one seems like every pattern I've done for old Steve here requires about 10 colors. These are advanced. patterns. I'm telling you. But I do think they're going to be beneficial to him. It's just, even with 5, 6 airbrushes, we're changing colors out. I need a little bit of black because I want to do my shad dot. I want to spray it and not have it real super uniform. Just the way I like to do things. So, and I'm giving that UVLS that I mixed with that eye candy up a little more time to kind of marry together. So I like the faded edges on the shad dot, so I like to just spray them. Get out. All right. One of the cool things about this pattern is this one. It's a kind of it's a highlight color or a metallic looking color that just provides a sheen over that gray. I don't know if you can see that in there, but really good looking. We're going to see how the eye candy comes out again. Usually this is what I use. It's just a highlight purple that's basically small. I don't even know how to say it. It's just almost a clear, and we're just going to dust that over that. Just like that. And we'll let that dry and see. This UVLS doesn't really like heat sets. I mean, it's not too bad, no more than we're doing here, but that gives that gray just a little bit of that metallic, but if you do just a purple, it really doesn't turn out near as good. You know, you could paint it purple, but I like the highlights, and I'm liking this. This is a little bit of a deeper purple than if we did the highlight. I've got an older video. Go back and look at that and compare it. You guys tell me which of the purples you like best on this back color. Thinking this one's my favorite, but anyhow, let's see. Okay, so all we have left here is red eyes. We're going to put some red in. We're going to do our eyes, and the limit shad is going to be completed. And I'll run down the colors using this since I just changed up that one, but give you guys a rundown. If you want to try to replicate this pattern, you're more than welcome to. Most people don't appreciate that within their custom painting, but I created this channel to make it educational and teach people how to do some of this themselves. It's amazing what some of these younger kids that I've worked with, what they can do in a short amount of time. I'm super impressed with them. Some people just have better skills than others when it comes to the artistic abilities, but I know I struggled with it all. All right, we're gonna go with that red one. These wiggle warts, man, this little hole sizer is one of the best things that was ever come up with, or I ever figured out. Let's get us a bigger nail. We're going to do a little black. Once again, now this was a clear. Of course, I had sandblasted it, and it's extremely difficult to get all the paint off these lips, but once we clear coat it, I think that lip color will come back. Actually, that one looks pretty good. I did a good job of getting all that loose. So there's going to be the limit shad on the Magnum pre-wrap wart. Guys, leave me comments. Tell me what it's going to be like. Steve, get back with us. Let all the viewers know, if you're watching the channel, of how you do on the Coosa River and those chains up in that particular area in Alabama. The rest of you, get back with us. Leave comments. See you next week. Green Country Baits signing out.